Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Time. This is the 13th video of our Android tutorial for beginners series, and in this video I will show you how you can create custom button in your Android application. So without wasting a time, let's get started. Here open Android Studio, and here I have already created the project. So what we have to do here, we have to go in activity main.xml, drag and drop a button. I have already drag and drop a button. So what we have to do now, we have to remove the text from this button and specify the constants. So this will be our custom button. Now what we have to do next, we have to get the images in our Android Studio project. So go in the folder where is images, copy these two images, and in drawable paste the images, click on OK. So the images now in our Android Studio project. Now what we will do next, we will create a new resource file, custom button, go in text, and here we have to write some item state pressed. If it is true, then we will change the icon, back button, make it forward button. If it is false, then we will change the icon to back button. Now what we will do next, we will go in our design of activity main.xml, hit on text, and here change the background of our button to custom button. Now we have done with the coding. Now let's run it on our real device, hit on OK. Here is our app on our real device. This is the custom button. Now let's click on this button, and as you can see here, the button is changed. Now the button icon is changed. Now I will hit it again, and it is changing and it is working fine. So that's it in this video. That's how you can create the custom button in your Android application. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you can comment your doubts in the comment section and I will surely reply. And if you have liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more Android tutorial for beginners. Thanks for watching.